So this is our first salt, sodium hydroxide. In short, chemical formula we can say NaOH. So it is saying that when electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that means NaCl, we also call it the NaCl as brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Okay, the process is called chlor-alkali process because of the product form chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide, because we know that the bases which are soluble in water is known as alkali. So here the passing of electricity is actually to get the sodium hydroxide, okay, from the NaCl. From the sodium chloride or brine solution we get NaOH. The process is when electricity is passed. Write fast. This is the reaction we get. To get the sodium hydroxide from the NaCl salt solution means we have kept the salt and water, and after passing the electricity we get the sodium hydroxide. Next is chlorine gas is given off at anode and hydrogen gas at cathode. So sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. In last class we have seen about the anion cation anode cathode. Okay, we have to just remember the anion, that anion is negative, so anode will be positive and cathode will be negative. done this? See, two things we are having in, you can say, electrolysis process, one cation, another anion. Okay, these are the charges, like Na plus, we are having plus sign with Na, that means sodium. So what it is it cation or anion? So any element with the plus sign is cation, any element with minus sign is anion. Okay, now to just remember one more thing, that if cation and anion are positive, if cation and anion are termed as positive negative, they are deposit on cathode and anode. Now the word cation and cathode are similar, but charges are different. Okay, the word anion and anode are same, word are same, similar, but charges are different. So how to remember it? So just remember one thing, anion, in anion we are having two N, okay, two alphabet N, and N is for negative, so anion is negative. Now if anion is negative, what is anode? So anode will be positive. So just learn the simple thing, anion is equals to 2N is equals to negative. Okay, anion contains 2N, so negative, and it is just opposite to anode, so anode will be positive. Okay, and others are just reciprocal. If anion is negative, cation is positive. If anode is positive, cathode is negative. Now I have sent you a document of Inspire. It is again, I think a month earlier I have discussed about the models, ideas, different ideas. And again I am asking because I have still not get any ideas from class 10th. So detailed version I have given. Go through it. Everything is written on that. Just now I have sent the document of Inspire. So I think we are done with this slide. Let's move to the next slide. It is about the bleaching powder. Okay, it is about the bleaching powder. So the formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2, and let's see what it is saying. We have already known that chlorine gas is found or produced during electrolysis of brine. Okay, this chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Okay, in previous, for making sodium hydroxide, we have got the NaCl in the presence of water, and after doing the electrolysis we got sodium hydroxide and chlorine gas. So that chlorine gas can be used for making the bleaching powder. Okay, because we know the bleaching property indicates that it removes or it changes the color of the surface. Okay. So next it is saying bleaching powder is produced by reaction of chlorine with dry slag lime, that is calcium hydroxide. Okay. So after reacting the chlorine with calcium hydroxide, we get the bleaching powder and water. So the, the documents which I am sending, please save it, go through it. Because earlier also we all have discussed about this. I think you all have forgotten. Go through it and give your name. Give your name in school reception number, that what ideas you are having. Done this. We get sodium hydroxide from sodium chloride by the electrolysis process. In that process, we also get the chlorine. So passing the chlorine with calcium hydroxide, that is slag lime, we get the bleaching powder.